how to be recession proof. Man, the way this year's starting off, that is a big question that everybody's asking. I get email after email about that. And I tell them, if they're working a 9-to-5 job and they feel like their 9-to-5 job, it may just quit at any minute. I tell them, learn a new skill. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the best ones you can learn, because affiliate marketing is you're not worried about customer service, shipping, or returns. It's just driving traffic to a certain link that they're going to give you, and you're going to promote it. Now, by saying that, you're going to see a lot of stuff on YouTube and TikTok. Hey, I can make you $10,000 a month. Well, those are the people you got to be leery about and kind of stay away from, because you're not going to make $10,000 a month unless you know what you're doing. If you want to learn from the best and the brightest in affiliate marketing business, then what you need to do is go down into the description and click the link. Then you're going to learn from people who have been doing this for years, and they're already making 6-7 figures. And now what we want to do is teach you how to do that. But we can't do it unless you click the link in the description. So if you're worried about how you can become recession proof this year, because it's probably coming, all the big name people out there are saying that a recession is more than likely going to happen this year. So if you want to get yourself lined up to where you're not going to be in that mess, and you can still put food on your table, you can still pay your bills, then what you want to do is click the link in the description and we can get started. Because whatever you do, don't listen to all the fake gurus, because it's not, affiliate marketing is not hard, and it's not easy. It's like everything else. It's a skill you need to know. And you join our team, you're going to learn how to do affiliate marketing. You're going to learn how to do it the right way. You're going to get a mentor, an advisor who's going to walk you through everything. They're going to push you. They're going to make sure that you're doing it right, because you're going to learn this from their mistakes. So you're not going to have to struggle and make mistakes because you messed up and bought a $7 course that's not going to teach you everything you need to know. And it's not going to come with an advisor, a mentor. You're going to get all that. So why not go with the best? Learn a new skill that you can use anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're sitting on the beach. All you need is a laptop or a tablet, whatever you prefer, and some good internet. And you can go to the beach, work an hour or two, then spend time with your family. Now, saying that, just remember, this is a skill that you need to learn. Don't fall for the cut and paste that, hey, you join my group, you join this, and I'll give you how I've made $6,000 or $100,000 a year. Just remember, the only people making money on that is the people that you're copying. So just keep that in mind, because you still don't know the skill. Now you got to go buy an expensive program so you can use their link in it. So just keep that in mind. You want to learn a skill. It's not hard. You can do it, but you want to be recession proof. Whether it's this year, next year, or any year. And if you're looking to quit that 9-to-5 job, maybe you're a busy mom, and you got 2 little kids and you would like to spend more time at home with them than you would your 9-to-5 job, or maybe it's just not paying and keeping up with the way the economy is right now, because the economy is terrible. The gas is going back up. Of course, everybody figured it would after the holidays, and sure enough, everybody predicted it. It shot back up. Now, groceries is still high. Nothing's changed about that. So if you want to become recession proof, then learn a new skill, come join us, and we're going to teach you the skills you need to where you don't have to worry about this. You can still work your 9-to-5 job, because that's how everybody starts off. They're working their 9-to-5 job, they're doing it at night, they're doing it on the weekends, but they're learning it. You know, it's not given to them, you know, because you want to be able to say at the end of the day, I'm learning a new skill. Then, hey, you may one day fire your boss. You may walk into your boss, hey, I quit, you know, because you're making enough money off affiliate marketing to cover your expenses from your job. So, and now you want to put more time in it. So now you can make that 6 figures or 7 figures a year. But now you got the skills to where you can. Now, wouldn't that feel good to wake up in the morning, check your email, and you have an email saying, congratulations, you got a commission? Because you're not making money, true money, until you're making it while you're sleeping. Then you're making money, because then it comes into passive income. Then you're making money while you sleep. That's how you know you're making real money. So keep that in mind, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the little like button so you get all my weekly notifications when I put out more videos. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I put a lot of stuff out on TikTok too, so don't forget to follow me there, and I'll see you next week.